back to Jana's show. Today we're gonna make butter slime. So let's check the ingredients out. We're gonna be needing corn flour, shampoo, and food coloring. You can use any color. We used blue. So you need a bowl and a spoon. It seems easy, right? So let's get started with adding the corn flour. So we added the corn flour. Now let's add the shampoo. Now let's mix. We just need more and more shampoo. It turned out when I mixed it all together, but we still need some more corn flour. Let's see. Mix it. The funny parts. And now because I add more corn flour, it is ruined for good. We need more soap. See, the only spoon has some. So we're ready? Check it out. So we're done. Look at it. Let's add some blue food coloring. We add food coloring. It's all blue. And now let's mix it. It's heavy now. And this is the funny parts. Mix it with your hands. And the worst part is sticky. Mix it together until it's just like dough. And when you have to wash your hands, dry it very good. Look at this, it's super fun to play with. You just gotta give this video a like and click the bell because this is super fun. You just gotta try it. I'll let you think about it. It's super fun to play with. You guys just gotta give it a chance. Man, I'm a big fan. I said it out loud. I just had to. Well, I can't wait to see yours. I can't wait to. Hey, look what I did. Check it out. It's super fun to play with. My snowman and my couch with a pillow is super fun. You just gotta try it. It's fun for grown-ups and kids. Well, it is fun. Believe me, you just gotta try it. By 10 seconds. Go on and do all the stuff and get started. When you make